Indigenous Peoples Forum की Executive Meeting Forum की Chairman Anup Chetia की LUCHING MAKHADA GUWAHATI दा PANGTHOKKHRE मेफमदुना August की तांग मापनदा Nagaland chapter na host ओइदुना पांगथोकदबा International Day of the World's Indigenous People Celebration की मतंगदा कुपना खना नैनखी लोइना मणिपुर दा हौजिक ओरिबा फिबम मसे इंग तप्पा पुरगनबा कम्युनिटी अमगा की मरक्ता थाजबा लैनबगी मतंगदसु कुपथना खनखी
At the executive meeting of the Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum today in Guwahati, looking at the forthcoming event of World Indigenous Day being organized by Nagaland chapter next month on the 9th, we had a very meaningful meeting today. The meeting unanimously resolved to work for the people of the entire region, particularly keeping the communities, all the communities, for their harmonious coexistence. The Northeast Indigenous Peoples Forum will facilitate, will initiate every single way how the people of the entire region will coexist harmoniously. One of the most important aspects that came out in today's meeting is also the little tension between all the interstate borders in the northeastern region. Under the chairmanship of our chairman, Shri Anup Chetia, we will continue to work together with all the state chapters to ensure that people to people connect by organizing events, and particularly we have been organizing the food health drama festivals in the neighboring states. We will continue to work together with all the state chapters to ensure that people to people connect continues to minimize